Hey guys, today we are talking about some grammar and we're discussing what a preposition and a prepositional phrase is. So a preposition gives direction. So on, after, for, under, with, and they answer the questions where, when, what for, or how. So today, and in this box up here discusses an actual prepositional phrase. And the phrase is not what we are looking for today exactly, it's just the preposition. So we have some examples up here of where something was put. I put the fruit salad on, that's our preposition, the kitchen table. So on the kitchen table is the prepositional phrase. When I have a dentist appointment after school. So after school is the entire prepositional phrase. After is our preposition. What for? I need to buy some clay for the art project. For answers the question, what for? The art project is the prepositional phrase that answers that question. Mom melted the frozen car door with a hairdryer. How did she melt it? With a hairdryer. That's our prepositional phrase. With is the preposition. So today's activity, we're going to do a few together. You'll see there are 2 slides. And you will finish the second slide by yourself. And the directions are to highlight the word that completes the sentence correctly. So you're going to highlight the preposition down here that finishes your sentence correctly. Dina answered the teacher's question of her usual confidence or with her usual confidence. A lot of times these just sound right or sound wrong. So we have she answered with her usual confidence. And if I look, that answers the question how. How did she answer? With her usual confidence. Number 2 says, Paul found an old silver coin after a pile of rubble or under a pile of rubble. And as you can hear, under is the correct preposition. And it answers the question where. Where did Paul find an old silver coin? Under a pile of rubble. I studied the spelling words below my lunch break or during my lunch break. During my lunch break. That answers the question when. When did I study the spelling words? During my lunch break. You guys are going to do 4, 5, 6, and 7 on your own and then turn it in Google Classroom. Good luck. I'm sure this is going to be the hardest assignment you've done all week. We'll see you guys in just a bit.